In this video I'm going to show you how you can find all filters on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram and then tap here on plus icon to create some video. I'll select a reel, and there if we swipe to the left or swipe to the right, we switch between that Instagram filters. There are some kind of trended right now filters, and you can switch between them. Here at the bottom you see the name of that filter, like simulation sky or silly face or red sun or whatever else. And if you want to use them, you can just switch between that filters in that way. But if you want to find exact filter and you know the name of that filter, or there are no such filter in here, you can use search. Just tap here on stars icon and that window will appear. Here you can sort filters by trending, filters for reels. You can select appearance, and if you know the exact name of the filter, just tap here on search icon and enter filter name right here, like green screen for example. And now you can select that filter, and here you can see how it looks like. And if you like that filter, you can bookmark that filter, and after that you can tap here at bookmarks icon, and here you will find all the filters that you ever bookmarked. So that's how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.